Joining me, I'm meteorologist Eric Tallman, and good morning to everybody in southeast lower Michigan. We're going to make this really quick. We're going to talk about the severe weather chances in the Midwest. But for us in southeast Michigan, we don't have to worry about severe weather, which is a good sign. We're going to get a break from that, but there will be a chance of a thunderstorm or two in southeast Michigan, but we're not expected to see severe weather at all, so that's going to be a plus right there. Chances of thunderstorms in the Midwest, and there's actually going to be uh, just a marginal risk of severe weather, but that's going to stay way away from us. It's going to be down in the south, so you don't really have to worry about that. That is not going to concern us at all, so that's actually a plus right there. So that's Saturday, and then we're going to go to uh, Sunday when things start to get active all over again, where parts of the Midwest will see severe weather again, a marginal risk that will affect parts of the Midwest, and then a slight chance of severe weather will be breaking out as well in the Midwest. And then down in the South, they have a chance of seeing some marginal risk of severe weather and a slight chance of severe weather. And then towards the Northeast, we'll see a chance of a marginal risk of severe weather. So all in all, it's going to be quite active. Most of the Midwest is going to be seeing thunderstorms, and there'll be certain parts that will be seeing severe weather, but we're in the clear for severe weather, so no action for us to worry about. And then after we get into Sunday, then we'll talk about the Monday. Computer models are telling us that there will be thunderstorms that will develop across the Midwest. But this time, if Michigan does get it, it will be in the upper peninsula that gets the thunderstorm action, but they're not at all expected to see severe weather. But there will be a chance of marginal risk of severe weather in the Midwest. In other areas, we'll see just general thunderstorms, non-severe thunderstorms, so that's not going to be a concern. So there'll be certain spots that will be seeing marginal risk of severe weather. So that's not really going to be a problem for us at all. So just want to give you a heads up on that. So pretty much that's all I wanted to tell you. And we will talk about the extended forecast and other news developments throughout the day on Saturday in the morning, possibly in the afternoon, and in the evening. So it all depends on the day, but at least we're going to get a break from all of those storms that we had on Friday, which was very active, but at least we're going to return and have sunshine in the forecast, and we'll talk about that extended forecast in the morning, in the later parts of the morning, I'd say between 9 and 10 specifically. It all depends on what's going on because I have to prep for Saturday, so that means I'm going to start the day all over again, and I will check the thunderstorm forecast again and see if the models are still the same. So we'll just kind of roll with it and go from there. Other than that, everybody have a great day, and I will continue to track the storms and the rain developing in the Midwest. But so far, I'm going to have a look at it right now and see where we're at with that. Currently in Michigan, we've got nothing going on, so that's actually a good thing. Most of the Midwest is actually in the clear with showers and storms. A lot of this stuff has actually dissipated in a lot of parts of the Midwest. But I am seeing a section of, I'm going to go ahead and go down, stroll up, so I can see where all of this action is happening. So I'm going to say way down in the south, we're starting to see showers and thunderstorms, and they have a chance of seeing some marginal risk of severe weather could break out over there. So just want to let you know about that. So people that are down in the south, just be aware that you might have a chance of some severe weather, but a lot of areas are not going to see it. There is not going to be a big major outbreak of severe weather. So that's actually a plus right there. So we're going to get a break from that. And then certain sections might even see a shower or a thunderstorm, but we're not anticipating any severe weather down in that section at all. So I'm going to just say that so far we're starting to see showers and thunderstorms develop, but a lot of sections are in the clear from the severe weather pattern, so I'll continue to monitor that. But it seems like there's only one area specifically that will see severe weather, and that's going to be way down in the south, and that is the only type of action that I'll be tracking for the remainder of our Saturday, and I'll let you know as we go on through the day if that does change, and the computer models will indicate that where these storms are headed. So I'll continue to monitor that. But as we get into our Sunday, that's when things really turn around basically in terms of severe weather. So I'll be monitoring those storms. So when they get into the other parts of the Midwest, I will be watching that very closely for you and have more updates. So things are starting to pop up, and we'll track those storms for the remainder of today, and I'll be watching it on the tablet here throughout the next 24 to 48 hours. So I'll be watching that and tracking it for the next couple of days. But for us in Michigan, we're going to be in the clear of any terms or signs of severe weather so far. This is meteorologist Eric Tolman. I will have your extended forecast and other later developments on the severe weather breaking out in the Midwest, down in the South, but it's not going to be entirely a big, widespread, severe weather event for most of the Midwest. So if they do get a marginal risk of severe weather, it is going to be very isolated area, very small, isolated area will see marginal risk of severe weather down in the South. So that kind of covers the severe weather down there, but most of the Midwest is in the clear. Not seeing a lot of action over there, so I'll continue to monitor that as well. We'll see you again with another update at 8 o'clock. We'll see you then between 5 a.m. in the morning and 8 o'clock with your extended forecast, and we'll be starting early again on Saturday morning. And the time right now is 1:31 a.m. Eastern Standard Time here in Southeast Lower Michigan. This is meteorologist Eric Tolman on the Michigan Weather Channel, and I'll see you guys in the next several hours. Everyone have a awesome Saturday, and I'll see you guys in the next several hours. Come back and join me then. We'll see you then. And thank you for watching the Michigan Weather Channel for Southeast Michigan and all of the Midwest. You guys have a great night, and we'll see you in the morning, starting at 8. We'll see you then at 8 o'clock in the morning.